May bagong EP ang alt-pop Japanese Pinay artist na si Ena Mori. Ito ay ang Ore. Sa proyektong ito, mas pinalalim niya ang kanyang dark and atmospheric na tunog.
My sound, I would say it's a lot more electronic dance, darker in terms of the setting. Maybe you want to listen to it when it's nighttime, 7 p.m. onwards. Ayan.
Ibinahagi ni Ena na karamihan sa mga awitin sa EP ay hango sa kanyang mga karanasan bilang isang Asian, kabilang ang pagharap sa identidad at personal na pinagdaraanan. Isa naman sa kanyang mga paborito sa EP ang kantang Pomegranates na anyay malapit sa kanyang puso.
Right now, my favorite is a song called Pomegranates. It's a song about having to find softness as a woman, like when we're growing up. Especially, I feel like from my experience, we're so taught to be very strong and very independent. You know, it's a song to remind myself that I can find love by easing up a little bit.
May mensahe rin siya para sa mga bagong artista ng bayan na patuloy pang hinahanap ang kanilang sariling tunog.
So whatever you're doing right now is probably what you'd like to do. As long as it's something that is true to you, it is different. And people will notice that. And I think that taking pressure out of being different, do something so true to you, whether you find it so creative or not. That's the truth. And, you know, that's what you are. And that will ultimately be something so different from other people. Yeah.
Sa paglabas ng Ore or Or, muling pinatunayan ni Ena Mori na hindi siya natatakot sumubok ng mga bagong bagay at malinaw ang kanyang paninindigan. Ang pagiging totoo sa sarili ang tunay na nagbibigay liwanag kahit pa sa gitna ng dilim.